In this figure, we're going to see a couple of veins of the abdominal region. Draining the kidneys are the renal veins, and draining the gonads are the gonadal veins. I will use this figure to illustrate the final abdominal veins. This is the inferior mesenteric vein. It drains blood from the distal large intestine. And here we have the superior mesenteric vein, which drains blood from the proximal large intestine as well as the small intestine. All blood that is drained by veins from the digestive organs of the abdominal cavity are taken to the liver by the hepatic portal vein. So the liver receives blood from all of the abdominal organs of the digestive tract. What that means is anything absorbed from the digestive tract goes to the liver first before it moves on to the systemic circulation. The liver detoxifies any potential toxins that are absorbed from the digestive tract. It also processes nutrients before the blood is then moves on to the inferior vena cava and the systemic circulation. I want to emphasize that this vein is the hepatic portal vein. If you call it anything else, if you leave out the word portal, it will be incorrect. The hepatic vein is another vein that actually takes blood from the liver to the inferior vena cava. So it is the hepatic portal vein. You can't leave off hepatic and you can't leave off the word portal.